Hello everyone, so today we have a to the power of 32 equals to 2 to the power of a, and a is the unknown. We're going to solve together. Let's take solution. So our equation a to the power of 32 is equals to 2 to the power of a. I would like to eliminate this a. I will multiply the power by the reciprocal of a, that is 2 to the power of a to the power of 1 over a. So I want to do the same to the right hand side, that is a to the power of 32 to the power of the reciprocal of a, 1 over a. So here a will cancel out. What is left will be a to the power of 32 over a, and this is equals to 2. Again, I want to take away the power of 32 from the left hand side. So I will multiply both sides again with the reciprocal of 32. That is a to the power of 32 over a times 1 over 32. Here 32 will cancel out, and I want to do the same here. 2 to the power of 1 all over 32. So what will be left here will be a to the power of 1 over a, and this is equals to 2 to the power of 1 over 32. And this also can be written as times 1. And we're going to replace 1 as 2 over 2. So that the next line becomes a to the power of 1 over a is equals to 2 to the power of 1 all over 32 times 2 over 2. And this can be written again as 1 over a equals to, and we can write this as 2 to the power of 2 and to the power of 1 over 32 times 1 over 2. This is a to the power of 1 over a is equal to 2 to the power of 2, that is 4, and to the power of 1 times 1 is 1. 32 times 2, that is 64. I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, so that a to the power of 1 over a will be equals to 4 to the power of 2 over 128. Again, this also equals to 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 all over 128. And a to the power of 1 over a is equal to 4 to the power of 2, that is 16, to the power of 1 all over 128. We're going to continue on this until the denominator of the power is the same as the base. So again, I'm going to multiply the power by 2, so that a to the power of 1 over a will be equal to 16 to the power of 2 all over 2 times 128, that is 256. And this is equals to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 all over 256. And if you do this very well, a to the power of 1 over a will be equals to 16 to the power of 2, that is 256, to the power of 1 all over 256. And by comparison, a is equals to 256. Thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Click on the like button also. See you in our next video. Bye bye.